Today we have a walking group. Come on.
Then he was also talking about...
Only got 198 days until we start the next Camino de Santiago. I've been sedate for the last, I don't know, 2 months or so I just gotta take it slow. Don't want to pull something or start out too quickly. I like some of the Italian coffee bars have this setup, and it looks just like something you'd see on the Camino, right? And I always stop at the produce store here to pick up some produce on my walks. Because at this produce store, you can pick up all your own vegetables. You can actually touch them. Time to get off the couch and step into the world.